Hey guys, welcome back to Lurvey's Supplying Landscapes here in Des Plaines. I've got another video here today to show you a tool that we've been doing really well with. Brand new combo screed with built-in level from Bon Tool. Pretty simple here, obviously. We've got a aluminum screed, aluminum handle. It's got a built-in level there so you can see how good of a job you're doing. As you can see here, we are stocking these in multiple sizes. I've got 4-footers, 6-footers, and 8-footers all available. We're going to go ahead and head out to one of our bulk bins here and see how this thing works. All right, so we're out in the torpedo sand bin here. Very common material guys are using to level their pavers before they set them down. Maybe you're using string lines or pipes or something like that to level, but this is going to make it a lot easier for you. Some guys are using a 2x4, something like that. A super light tool, nice accurate screed. So we'll do a quick demo here. It is very light. You will have to put some pressure on it, but as you can see, I can get that pretty level pretty quickly. Maybe run over it one more time, check my level, and that should definitely speed up your installs moving forward. Hey guys, just remembered one more type of material I wanted to demonstrate this on. We're at the 3/8 limestone chip bin. This is a common leveling material used during permeable installations. Going to be the same concept here. Put a little pressure down on it. Watch your level. You can screed it right out. Definitely going to save you some time, give you a nice level installation. So that's pretty much this guy in a nutshell. Next time you're in the office, ask us to check one out. We'll even let you give it a quick little demo if you like. Thanks for watching. Like us on social media. Have a great day.